Hey guys, Rob again. Check out this gold hood right here, okay? The clear coat's, it's gone, it's bad. I'm gonna use water again. I wanna show you guys something. If you're driving around with a car where the hood, the roof, the trunk are hazy, but the sides look good, this is water. But when you wash it, it looks really good. Look how beautiful it looks when it's wet, okay? If it looks good when it's wet, but then dries up and goes back to that, do not wax it, guys. Your paint job is dirty, oxidized, and contaminated. What you need to do is clean it. So Lukat Fix It. A lot of people, they'll call me up and they'll order this because they want to shine up their cars, and I tell them, no, it's not a wax, it's a cleaner. Watch how easily it works. I'm going to put some on here, okay? And when I use this, because it's a cleaner, not a wax, I don't do circles. I just go back and forth. Now, the trick to this is it's real simple. You clean the same spot until it clears up because it doesn't cut, it doesn't mask. What it does, the top of your clear coat is already toasted and brittle, and you want to push this into that lightly. It doesn't require a lot of elbow grease. It's very easy to do. Again, you're cleaning. You don't want to remove the clear. I mean, this stuff is freaking badass. Look at that. So you use this to clean the clear coat, remove the buildup, but not remove the clear coat. I think I said that all wrong. It's all right, guys. It's all that dust and dirt I get to breathe out here or something. But look how beautiful that comes out. You catching that? Again, this is water. This is what it looks like when it's wet. It looks good, but that's gonna dry up. So if you wax your car, this is the effect. You put a shine on top, it looks good for a little while, but that's buildup, it's gonna erode it. But look, it's going away. It's hazing up. It's hazing up because it's dirty, it's dead, it's oxidized. What's refracting the light is the water or the waxes you put on, but you're adding. Listen to that. Can you hear that? Okay, listen to this. This is the sound of a clean paint job. You don't hear nothing. Here, you can hear. So I'm gonna clean some more right there, but I wanna make sure that dries up really good right there. Okay? And yeah, if you can wash it, wash your car first. After you wash it, go ahead and clean it. Here's the craziest part, okay? Let's just say you can only clean this section of the car today, okay? You're perfectly fine, because when you clean it like this, it's gonna take years for that oxidation to build up again. Years, guys. This is a cleaner, not a wax. You're just removing the oxidation, the contamination. This is like the best way to do it. Clean a section until it's completely clean. Feels like glass after a little while. And yeah, look how beautiful that's coming out. Okay, now I'm gonna do this right here. I'll go like this. Again, oh, and by the way, if you fold up the towel into like tight little squares, you can get like 32 uses out of one towel. Look at that. Go over it like that. Clean small sections, don't do big sections. Clean them until they're like perfectly clean. Remember, no waxing, clean the paint. Clean it, and man, your paint job is restored. You don't have to be embarrassed about how bad it looks. If it's hazing, what's good about when it's hazing, you can still bring it back. The next stage is when it peels. That's bad. And that can still be brought back to a point, but it's not perfect. This can be brought back almost to perfection. Look at that. Again, I don't know if the camera captures what I see, because sometimes we shoot these videos and we don't capture it. I know people tell me I should give it a camera. I'll get to that. Not to worry. But in the meantime, clean your freaking paint job. There's two little spots right here that I see. Eyeball what you're doing. That's why if you clean them in sections, you get a uniform finish. Like you can just, how long are we in?
4 minutes, 13 seconds.
So it took me 4 minutes to do this spot right here, okay? But if you can, wash the car first, park it in the shade. That's like the best conditions. Get yourself some terry cloth towels. You can grab a bath towel when the wife ain't looking. She catches you, it's on you, not me. But you can blame me. Anyways, took 4 minutes to do this. Probably takes about 20 minutes to do just this section. You can stop and you can come back a week, a month later, and hit the other side. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah. So guys, order your kit today at lukatdetail.com. That's spelled L-U-K-A-T detail.com. Look in the about section. There should be a little font on there that says our website. Get it, guys. I mean, you don't have to be driving around with that ugly paint job. And if you don't clean this clear coat, it'll peel. Then you have to repaint it. All right, guys. Join us in the fight against ugly paint job pollution. Later, guys.